my name is Siena. I am a TGB graduate. I graduated last year, and this is my first house. And I'm projected to make over 5 figures on my very first build. So being in the TGB mentorship, it was very insightful. I literally had them teaching me step by step how to build this house. And even when I graduated, they're still here supporting me every step of the way. I get access to the trades. I'm able to properly assess the lots for me to get a good project and a good budget. So this experience has been amazing. This was the only mentorship that will actually have you go through a house and build it from start to finish, literally from ground up. There was just land and we have a house. There's no other mentorship out there that's actually gonna take your hand and help you and teach you the step-by-step process of building a house. There's a huge community of people. I have my classmates that I talk to, and we just share our experiences. Actually, down the street, there's another student that's actually building, and we communicate, we go back and forth with trades. If we had any type of encounter with building, we tell each other, okay, hey, avoid this, avoid that. So just being able to have the access to the community is amazing. I'm the queen of actually going and investing in myself. And I had a lot of people that was telling me that you were gonna be wasting your money and buying a program, especially I have a lot of family that are in construction. But to me, I felt like if I'm gonna invest in myself and I have people that are gonna actually hold my hand, I don't have to go and ask somebody, oh, can you tell me this next step? Can you tell me this next step? I actually have somebody that I pay for to help me through this step-by-step process for me to learn how to build this house. I think it's well worth it. I feel like if you invest the money and you execute, you're not gonna have any failure.